So here's the latest. It's the following day, Sunday, the 21st of July 2019, and the time is, oh wow, it's between 9:30 and 10 in the morning. So if you checked my previous video, you know that I went grocery shopping yesterday. I intended to cook between last night and today, but I was too tired. Long story short, you can watch that video for what I bought and everything. Now, I woke up about an hour or probably more ago, and I am without electricity in the truck. Therefore, I'm unable to cook in the truck. That doesn't mean I'm not able to cook, period, because I'm at the terminal, at the company terminal, and thankfully I'm here because I can just go in there and use the kitchen. And there's not a lot of people here. It's a very small terminal. There aren't a lot of trucks here. I think maybe less than 5 with people in them. Maybe even, yeah, less than 5 for sure. 2 people that I had talked to yesterday, one just left, and the other one I woke up and he was already gone. That was a pity because we had a nice conversation yesterday. I'll probably tell you more about that situation on the blog because there's more to it than that. My blog is babalwa.brook.com. Anyway, long story short, I'm gonna go inside the terminal and cook now, and that's what's up. I'm packing my stuff and I'm getting ready to go. So these are my meats that I'm gonna cook. I'll show you when I get inside what I'm making today. And I'm also gonna take, because my battery is dead, I have someone coming to start it, but in the meantime, and I have to go to a client, so I don't really have time to sit here and wait for them to start it and then use the electricity. So I've got to use this time productively. These are the eggs in my cell phone, of course. It needs to be charged as well, but the battery's dead. And that's my Instapot that I'm gonna be cooking with. I'm inside the terminal, driver's lounge, and I'm about to cook. And there's another driver here who was working on his computer. I feel bad. I feel like I'm intruding, but you know, it's public space. It is what it is. Sorry. Just cleaning up my pork, setting up my situation. That's his computer.